today we're making a video. And we're going to be making slime.
Yep. So basically we have instructions and stuff. That's how you... Okay, so we have to... Okay. What's this?
If you don't remember me, I was little. I was like 2 years old. And we need to be playing on the piano. Now I'm 6. And I need to be 2 when I took
I
a
think
video.
it says 15 milliliters. Yeah. Okay. Wait.
15.
Yeah, 15. Okay.
Can I
Go. Continue.
So yeah. And my brother's just doing this.
I'm putting the ingredients in and she's going to be mixing the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm going to be mixing. He's going to be dropping the stuff. And then the next slime, I'm going to be doing it, and we're both going to be mixing. Well, we're both going to be mixing together right now on this slime. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing on the next slime.
Okay, so we have 15 milliliters of glue here. And just pour it in. Don't mix it yet.
I know. Because I know I don't have to mix that. No.
Yeah, I just need to.
I should have told you that. You wanted. Well, that spoon is so little, right? It doesn't fit my
This is our first time making slime.
Yeah, we haven't made slime by ourselves before on YouTube.
Yeah, this is our first time making slime on YouTube.
Yeah. I remember last time we used to make slime in our grandma's house, my dad's mom's house, and it was dried up. So now what we're going to be doing, we're going to get a container and put the slime in there. Right? So concentrated. Oh my God, Boogie, that thing is filled up.
Okay. Next,
Give me this.
here, take the spoon. I have to fill it up with 25 milliliters of water.
Milliliters.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
5?
Yeah, 25.
Oh, we need water too, Boogie.
Yes, I know. This is the 25 milliliters I'm putting.
Oh. As if you know, I'm 6. My brother is 9.5 because it's about to be his birthday in 7 more days or 7 more sleeps. I don't know. But it's going to be his birthday.
Okay, now I just need to dry it.
For my birthday, we went to Kalahari. Kalahari is like a place in Pennsylvania. And it was super fun. It was a water park, but sometimes it burned my head. But I like it. It's fun. I haven't made a video before with my brother. Well, I have, but not on this age. Because when I was 2, I made a video with me and my brother playing a piano. And yeah. My dad is here making pancakes, Nutella pancakes. And yeah. I'm trying to take all that off.
Okay, Kiara, I'm ready.
You ready? Let's go. And then I get to mix?
No, we have to put the activator.
Oh, yeah.
Start mixing now if you want.
No, I'm not going to mix on it.
Okay. Then after that, all we need to do is put 5 milliliters of activator. Only
Wow,
5.
Bucky, that was way too much.
No, that's what it said.
It says?
Yeah.
To fill it up to the top?
No, it wasn't up to the top. It was 25 milliliters.
Okay. You know how to do that. And then I start mixing when you put that in. I'm just so excited. I never make slime.
Okay, that's it?
My brother. That's it? Okay. Put in. Alright, now I'm gonna start mixing.
Can I mix two? Can I mix two? I want to mix two.
No, grab
A little bit.
Grab this.
Oh yeah, the slime stick.
Yeah, it's for the slime stick. Oh my god, it's turning into slime.
No way, yay.
It's turning into slime.
Wait, Kiara, you use this. I'll use this because
No.
I can mix
No, no,
faster.
no, no,
Kiara,
no.
Kiara.
No.
Come on, Kiara.
no.
Come on.
I had this first.
But
We're
I
gonna
need
be
to
taking
mix
a video.
it.
Stop.
I know,
Stop.
but I want to.
You're making a mess.
You're making a mess.
I'm just doing this.
But you need to do it faster.
You need to do
You don't know how to mix properly. Yeah, better.
Okay, now,
And faster.
Dad, can you grab a paper towel?
I got it.
Get it.
It's good? Just keep on mixing.
Why? Because it's almost clear slime.
God.
Oh my.
Keep on
Put
mixing.
it under the thing. Grab another paper towel.
Put it under. Put it under. Okay, fine. I'll grab another one.
The table is soaked. Alright, now I get this out.
I dropped the.
Now do this.
Continue mixing fast.
Alright. Alright, oh, it's stuck.
You sure?
It went on me. It went. It's stuck. Boogie.
Alright.
Boogie. Let me grab another piece
The
of
bowl
towel.
needs to be bigger.
Yeah, it needs to be even bigger. But I'm gonna grab the paper towels like that. Okay. Here, Boogie.
Because
Put
you
it
know
on.
what? Let's try.
Another
Try to
paper
touch it.
towel. Oh. Ew,
Oh,
no, no, no. Boogie, don't. What? Ew.
What do you mean?
Oh my god, it's slime. Oh,
yay.
as you know, for my birthday, I think. Yeah, for my birthday, I got this.
No.
Maybe like when I didn't have a phone, I really wanted one.
Oh, wait. For your phone?
Yeah,
Oh, no. You got that on my birthday.
I got this on my brother's birthday. It got cracked over here, as you can see, right here. And I got mad, but it was because I was trying to watch some like shows in the bathroom.
And then it slipped in.
It slipped.
And then it oofed.
Yeah, it like fell like that on metal. And it fell like on the hard.
My sister's gonna be like literally the only one using this. Really, Kiara? You haven't felt any slime?
No, I didn't feel it.
You don't want to feel it?
I did, but not right now. Because there's way too much soapies on the table. Wow, Boogie, you're making a mess.
Not. Okay, now it's good. Fine.
Can I feel? Give me. I want some. Give me some.
Take some.
Oh my god! This is like... Imagine if we made fluffy slime. One day we will.
One day.
One day. And we could still make more slime with this.
I know, we're gonna make the other slime now. Here, take more. Here.
Alright, so now we're gonna make the other slime. This is how the slime looks. Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna make
this is
scented slime.
This is not as stretchy. I wanted to take a video on my phone, but instead we took a video on his phone because I couldn't take a video on my phone. So yeah, I could only take like I could only take videos that doesn't go on YouTube. So I don't do that. Instead, we decided to do a video on YouTube. Boogie, the spoon is almost stuck to the thing. I got more paper towels, and I need more paper towels. I forgot there was another tiny cup. So we're going to leave that thing in here right now. For now. I think for now. Yeah, for now. Alright, now we're going to just stuff in in there with the spoon.
Okay, people.
I think so.
Okay, good.
Alright.
Okay, good thing is I put it in the wrong container. Now let's continue making more slime.
Yeah. Okay. So I put it in the container right there. So now we have to find the other top. I like it. To be. Let me just do something. Let me cover this slime up. Because this is not working. Why isn't this working to go on this?
Because that's the wrong container.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
What container does that be in? This one?
No.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. No, yeah. Okay.
No. Works? Yeah, good.
No, you have to take the rest of the slime out. So the slime won't be sometimes together.
Oh, okay, so these tops do not work.
Nope, they don't.
Good to know. Okay. Anyway, now we have a clear slime. People, look. Now we're gonna make scented.
We're gonna make regular slime. I'm just trying to get all the slime out of this container.
We're not making regular slime. We're making scented slime.
Oh, scented.
You know what that means?
No.
It's something that you could smell.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
You know how to make.
You know when you make, what is it called? Edible slime? I wish we could make edible slime. Imagine if we did. But you can make edible slime.
Slime that you could eat.
Yeah, some slime you could eat. Because you know what? I watched it on a show on my phone. It said that you can make
Edible slime.
edible slime.
Okay, it's you play with that. Now,
This is so jiggly, but it's not as cool as the other slime we used to have. But I like this slime. It's kind of cool. No, not stuck to my hands. No, not stuck to my hands. Alright. I don't like slime stuck on my hands. Ew. Okay. I think I'm having enough of this slime. I kind of like it, but let me get that. Okay. I'm just trying to get this out of the napkin. Okay. That was crazy. Oh my god, I just can't believe it. I haven't made slime before.
Vicky, I got the water.
Alright. Put in the thing. Oh, I get to mix now.
You mixed last time.
No,
This is my turn.
Now it's time to mix together.
That's not fair.
Yeah?
You do the stick this time. I do the real mixing.
Yeah.
Okay, no,
That's what I
wait,
meant.
before we start mixing, we have to add the activator.
Yeah. Alright, so starting mixing. I'm not gonna touch the slime that we're gonna be making right now because some slime is already stuck to my hand.
Wait. Before we start. Yeah. Okay. We have to add the scent. What color? You want blueberry or strawberry or purple?
I think I will want purple.
Just do strawberry.
Wait, we could add this in there. No, and it's in there. Yes. Let me get another stick. I need to be careful because no. And then we add this one.
And then you add blue?
Yeah. It'll be so. Looks so good.
That's purple.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is purple.
That's blue. Oh. But when you mix it together, it makes purple. Okay.
That's it.
Add a little bit more pink. I think we're golden.
All right. So Boogie, I'm going to have to clean this. Oh shoot. It's pink.
Let's do blue first, okay?
Doesn't
Because
this
this
look
is
like a
mostly blue.
big mess, Boogie? But it looks so cool.
Mhm. Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to add some more pink. I think it's looking all like blue slime.
Yeah, we made blue slime.
Yeah, we need to add a little bit
Come
more
on, come
pink.
on. Why are you adding pink?
That's it.
Fine, that's it.
One more.
That's it.
That's
That's
it.
it.
That's it. Alright.
It's still gonna be blue, purple. It's gonna be purple slime.
Yeah, it's gonna be purple slime. I love purple slime. Let's peel it. Yeah.
Look,
Look, you are missing.
see how I'm mixing it?
Yeah.
That's why all the slime is out.
Yeah.
I know how to make slime. Okay. Wait. So why are you picking it up with the popsicle stick though? Pick it up with your hand.
No.
Yes.
No, I'm me. I'm keeping this slime.
No, we're sharing all slime because this is ours.
No.
Mhm. It's fair.
How can I feel? It's so sticky. It doesn't want to get off of my hands. Oh my god, I'm not. I remember last time I mixed up Play-Doh and slime. That slime got it stained my shirt every single day I played with it. And then my teacher threw it out because, you know. But it wasn't my slime. It was a teacher's slime and it got stuck to my shirt every single day in my pants. Ew. And I thought Mom was gonna be mad at me. Oh no.
Okay, yeah, this is really sticky.
Yeah, I know, right? Look how it's stuck to my hands.
Oh, it's stuck to mine.
Look how it's stuck to
Put
mine.
it back in the container.
I can't.
Oh my god, no way.
Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, no way. I like the other slime better because it's not so sticky.
Mhm.
Yeah. But this slime, it's probably like so sticky. It went on my pants. Can you take that off, please?
I can't. Because I have too much slime.
No, me too.
You know what? Let's just take off the one.
And you put some on the table, Boogie.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Oh, ew. Yes.
Oh, I have an idea.
What?
Could play with this slime and then it will get off.
No, Boogie, no. No, Boogie, you're mixing it up. You said you don't want to mix it up.
I'm not mixing it up. It's just taking off slime. It's still clear slime.
Not clear slime.
It is clear slime. You see, this is clear slime. And this is a genius idea.
Wait, can I smell? Let's smell it. Oh, smell
It smells good.
it. Yes.
Should we add more something to it? What should we add?
More
Clear slime? Okay.
clear.
Should I?
No!
What? It's not. It's not. I said should I? And I did it. There you go. This is still clear slime. And then the next one we have to do, should we mix it more? Maybe that's the reason?
No.
I feel like that's the reason, so let's make some more.
No! No!
Well, this is clear slime.
Here. I can't get it off of my hand.
You just stuck it on my hand.
Okay. So,
You're mean.
I'm not going to close this. Is
Wait,
all.
give me your hand. Give me your hand. I'm a stupid one.
My hands are tired of doing this. I'm going to take it out. Boogie,
Yeah.
you're putting even more slime.
Open your hands.
slime already got on my pants.
Because of you.
Imagine slime on my hair.
Oh, then you would have to wash your hair like 5 times.
Maybe 10 times.
Oh, you touched it again.
After this, I'm gonna play with that slime.
Yeah, play with that slime.
No.
Yeah, because you touched the whole thing again with your whole hand.
No.
Yeah, you did.
But you were wasting the slime right here. Look. You see what my hand said? You saw them? They're so sticky.
All right, it's time for pancake break.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's pancake break time. Okay, peeps, it's pancake break time. We're gonna
Alright,
clean
but
up and then we'll continue later. Peeps. Peace.